Hey guys, welcome to Wiki Procedure Videos channel and kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. So in this video, we are going to see how to register or open drone training school in Telangana. The link I'm highlighting right now is provided below description of this video. You can click on it to reach this page. So next, to apply online, please click on this link that we have provided over here. Once you click on this link, it will be directly go to this page. So now you need to click on the login button. So now enter your email, password, select the profile and then click on the login button. So after login, you need to select the transfer option against the UAN. Then you need to search the registered transferee using her email address and send the transfer request via form D3. The request will go to the transferee for approval. After approval for transferee, go to the UAN and UAN transfer section. You need to pay 100. The UAN will be transferred upon successful receipt of payment. After acquiring UAN via transfer, we need to fill all the necessary details in the application form. Incomplete application or not accepted. Then you need to attach all the necessary documents that are mentioned in the required document section of this page. Please scroll down and you can able to see the rest of documents. Review the application for authorization of remote pilot training organization. Next, you need to pay the prescribed fee of rupees 1000 and complete the submission of application for authorization of remote pilot training organization. Upon successful receipt of request fee, the application will be sent to DGCA for approval. The DGCA will review the application and after approval, the authorization number will be displayed. So this entire process can be completed within 30 days. And in below section, we are mentioned fee section. So we need to pay the prescribed fee of rupees 1000 for authorization of remote pilot training organization. Also, you can check more details related to the procedure in below each section. And in office and location section provided with the department and contact details that need to be approached for this process. So we have provided all the information in each and every section. So which is very useful for you. If you have any queries or about videos, just comment us so we will get back to you as soon as possible. And kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.